All right, this is the 2017 GMC Acadia. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Today I'm going to show you how to operate the headlights. So I'm sitting in the driver's side part of the vehicle. I'm going to look through the steering wheel right here. Do you see this lever right here? This magic lever right here. Right now it is currently in the auto position. So the lights are in the auto mode, I think, okay? In order to find that out, I'm just gonna turn this knob right here to turn them on or off, and look on the dashboard. It says automatic light off. Now to turn them on, I'm just gonna do that again, and it turns the automatic light control on, okay? So that's the automatic lights right there, okay? Headlights, they turn on when it's dim outside, turn off when it's not so dim. All right, so now I am going to turn on the parking lights, okay? So I'm gonna switch it up like that. That is the parking light. The parking lights are now on, all right? Now, to turn on the headlights, make sure the headlights are completely on and not just in the auto function, I'm just gonna click it one more time, and the headlights are now on, okay? Indicator on this right up there, okay? So indicator down here, I mean. All right, so now to turn on the fog lights, you have a fog light feature. As you can see right here, that right there. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this middle knob and I'm gonna go down like that, and the fog lights turn on, and it's the indicator on the instrument panel. Look, I'm gonna do it again. The headlights have to be on before you turn the fog lights on. You see that? I'm turning them on, turning them off like that, and turning them off. Okay, that's that feature. But there's also a bright headlight feature, okay? The headlights are on. To turn the bright headlights on, I'm just gonna push that lever and you see that light come on. Now to turn them off, I'm just gonna pull it back and they turn off. All right, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to read your user manual, owner's manual before operating your vehicle, and abide by it completely. Thanks a lot. Give me a thumbs up. Have a good day.